Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create LinkedIn banner on Canva. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. And here's a step-by-step guide, specifically tailored for Windows 11 users. So first, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 PC and navigate to Canva's website called canva.com. If you already have a Canva account, sign in. If not, you can't sign up for free. Canva offers both free and paid versions. Once you're logged in, type LinkedIn banner in the search bar. Canva provides various pre-designed templates specifically sized for LinkedIn banners. And now, browse through the available templates and choose the one that suits your professional style and branding. Click on the selected template to open the editor, and here you can customize text, colors, image, and other elements. Canva offers a user-friendly drag and drop interface allowing you to modify the template to your liking. Use the text tool to add your name, job title, or any other relevant information. You can also incorporate graphics, icons, and your company logo if applicable. You can also experiment with different fonts and colors to match your branding. Canva provides a wide selection of fonts and color palettes on this section, and you can also resize, move, or delete elements as needed. Canva allows precise adjustments, ensuring your banner and professional. Once you are satisfied with your LinkedIn banner, click on this share on the upper right. Then on the options, click on download button, usually represented by a downward arrow. Select the appropriate file format, such as PNG or JPG, and confirm the download. The banner will be saved to your computer. Now, on LinkedIn, we have to log in our account. Once you get there, go to your profile. Choose to click on the pencil icon on the banner. Then click on the change photo and choose the one that you do before. Then click on open. Then finally, click on apply. Remember, Canva offers a wide range of customization options, so feel free to explore different templates and design elements until you achieve the perfect LinkedIn banner that represents your professional identity. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.